What I really like about the flats is the size of the kitchen. It's a really good space for just meeting up with other people and just for being able to have a chat or just chill at the end of a long day. So yeah, it was really nice to have. It's great to live in student halls as well because you're just surrounded by students, so it's so easy to just knock on their door or say hi and to make friends. The bedrooms are also really handy as well, just to have a double bed. Especially when you're at uni, you usually have long days where you're having a lot of classes and you're going to social activities at night. So having the space in your room just to go and put your stuff and being able to have a desk by your bed and just stretch out is really nice because it means you can properly relax. So one of the cool things about this is that you're so close to so many different supermarkets. So you've got Sainsbury's, which is just down the street, a Tesco that's 2 minutes away, and then you've got a giant Lidl, which is about 10 minutes away from here, and which is an absolute lifesaver as a student. The location's super handy for getting around. So you're about a 10-minute walk away from the uni, 30 minutes that way to the city centre, and then it's 15 minutes away from Byres Road. There's lots of coffee shops and places for you to chill out in the middle of your uni day.